Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you informative videos on finance and investment topics. Today, we're going to delve into a fundamental concept in the world of finance, enterprise value, or EV. Whether you're an investor or a business enthusiast, understanding EV is crucial. So, let's get started with our video titled, What is Enterprise Value, EV? Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll explain what enterprise value is, why it's important, and how to calculate it. So, let's begin. Enterprise value is a financial metric that represents the total value of a company. It measures the theoretical takeover cost of a business, including both its equity and debt. In simple terms, EV is the market value of a company's outstanding shares plus its debt, minus its cash and cash equivalents. To calculate enterprise value, you'll need a few key pieces of information. The formula is as follows. Enterprise value equals market capitalization plus total debt, cash and cash equivalents. Market capitalization represents the market value of a company's outstanding shares. Total debt includes both long-term and short-term debt, while cash and cash equivalents refer to the liquid assets a company holds, such as cash in hand, bank accounts, and short-term investments. Enterprise value is a crucial metric for investors because it provides a more comprehensive view of a company's value than just its market capitalization. By factoring in a company's debt and cash position, EV accounts for a firm's capital structure and its ability to generate profits. It's especially useful when comparing companies in different industries or with varying levels of leverage. Now, let's dive into an example to better understand how enterprise value works. Let's say we have company ABC. Its market capitalization is $200 million. It has $50 million in total debt, and $20 million in cash and cash equivalents. To calculate company ABC's enterprise value, we apply the formula. EV equals $200 million plus $50 million, $20 million. Therefore, company ABC's enterprise value would be $230 million. To summarize, enterprise value is a metric that captures the total value of a company, taking into account its equity, debt, and cash position. It provides a more accurate representation of a company's worth than just its market capitalization. By calculating EV, investors can evaluate investment opportunities, compare companies, and assess their financial health more effectively. That brings us to the end of this video on what is enterprise value, EV. I hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding of this important financial concept. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more finance-related content. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you with valuable insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.